Hello, let us talk about the golden mean. So this is basically how to go and attract clients for our accounting firm or for our bookkeeping practice in the shortest time possible. Because once you really understand this, you're going to be able to really, always be in control of your client attraction and always basically be in control of your income and the growth of your business. And it's one of the main ways that we've been able to maintain our six-figure level in my personal accounting firm that I co-founded with my local partner. Now, two things that we need to pair up. We need to pair messaging and content. If we have one without the other, I'm going to explain why it causes us to really not get the results that we're looking for and really get those lackluster results that cause us to really struggle. So the first thing that people do, second mistake, is that they only utilize content. So they'll make a million different videos or they'll make a million different blog posts, and they'll wonder why people never actually come to see the blog post or why people never actually follow through. So let me just kind of even take a step back. So the messaging can work if you get really good at messaging, but oftentimes once you get on the phone, they'll be really wanting to lower that price they're going to pay you because they have no relationship with you and they don't know that you're an expert and how you are an expert and how you can exactly help them. And if you have the content only, people see you as this just big, accountant who's killing the game, and they never really have any reason to reach out to you. They might even think that they can't afford you. But when you pair the two, not only do you actually get them to take the motion with the messaging, but you also get them to respect you and to pay you higher when you have the content as well. Now within both of those, it is a skill set. Both of those are a skill set. You're not just going to go put up 500 videos or 400 blog posts and go send out a million messages and you're going to be, have a six-figure firm. There is a skill set within each so you can really maximize your opportunities. Now, if you've been struggling to attract clients, maybe you're doing exactly what I'm talking about. Maybe you're either doing messaging only or you're building content or you're doing both and it's just not working for you. There are some small tweaks that really can make, a big major impact. It's always often about the 80-20 principle. Basically, 20% of the work that you do causes 80% of your results. And all the other stuff is just fluff and you might as well just not be doing anything because it's not really giving you any results. Now, if you've been struggling with that and you want to be shown exactly how to go and attract clients, really take the guesswork out of it, go on ahead and click on the link either above or below to our free community. So we created this community as a way to sort of give back because when I first got started, this is my second go at my own accounting firm. The first time was about five years ago. It was getting close to 6 years ago. We started everything like in person. We were just knocking on doors, brochures, networking events. Couldn't get anything to work. We got maybe one client from all that work we did, and we did a lot of running. All we got really in the end was just tired. But we relaunched it about 3 years and 8 months ago, and we decided only to do things online. So we see clients from all across the country. We never have to leave our house if we don't want to, and it just works. Everything's outsourced. Now, if you want to learn how to do that, I'm your guy. Okay, it's very simply put. So if you want to learn and be shown how to do that, like I've shown other accountants and bookkeepers how to do, just come and join us inside of that new community. I'm going to put some links either above or below the video so you can come and join us inside. Because one of the hardest things is when you want to make something work, but there's just not a lot of people there to help you and show you what to do. When we first got started, there was all these accountants around, right? Because we call them old heads, or old hands, or just people who are experienced and are making pretty great money and are in a place you want to be in. And everybody tells you to go get a mentor, but when you go and actually start talking to them, they're like, yeah, I'll help you. Then they kind of disappear, or they get too busy, or just all these different things happen. You never really get to learn, really move forward. So if that's you and you feel like you've kind of been left alone, you have no one to really guide you by the hand to go and do this and really build your practice and get the right kinds of clients who actually want to pay you well for your help, come and join us inside this community so I can help you out. I'll be that person for you because my practice is at a point where it's basically on autopilot. So it gives me a lot of time to be able to do stuff like this, like make videos to help you out. So if that's you, go on ahead and click on the link either above or below the video. Join us inside that community. I would love to have you and I'd love to help you out. I'll talk to you soon. I'll see you in the next video.